Hello, my name is Jörg Walden. I'm CEO and founder of iPoint Systems. iPoint Systems is a software and technology company. We have around 170 employees worldwide working on compliance and sustainability. Our goal is to improve front-loading of data into the design tools, into the simulation tools, in fact, in the decision of your material process, and additional help here to improve the sustainability footprint of the material, what you're using in your product. To make the right decision, add the compliance sustainability properties to your physical and to mechanical properties, make the right decision early in the design process to make a most sustainable product. The work with eExtreme and the combination here, I think what we see here, it's clear that this is an open relationship and really open partnership where we are together discussing the issues and the problems about the different industries, but also trying excellent to find together in a fair partnership what we can do to optimize the thinking and to optimize the tool set and the integration of the tool sets for the different kinds of industries. I think this is really perfectly evolving. We had the demand from multiple customers that they explained us we need to break the silos between the different departments, the sustainability department, compliance department, engineering and design department. The information needs to go along the process where the decisions are made. And the idea is really front-loading this information of compliance and sustainability information, not only from your own production, also through the supply chain to your designer. It's in the simulation and in the material management tool here, where we both of these tools are connected, where we're getting BOM structure information, part information, material information. And as more information you have, as easier you can then make the right and quick decision at this point of the simulation process. If we're looking now at the digitalization, where we may be sharing, we can redesign different business models with this kind of data too. If we know we get everything back, if we know we can reuse this as a secondary material, we have better chances to stay sustainable with the organization over a long time. Long term, we really try to say, how can we get rid of waste in all aspects here? Out of energy usage, out of reusable of materials, how much we can really reuse in different kind of products. So really closing the circle, how can we combine this information then in the design process and design a product that it's optimal, recyclable, reusable from the natural resources. From the organization standpoint, I would say it's a sustainability, we call this maybe even sustainability 2.0. It's a must, it's not a can anymore. You have to ensure that resources are available, that the earth and the ecosystem around the organization is working. Designers and people who are responsible in the product development are starting to think outside the box. The people are opening the mindsets, opening their understanding here a lot better than before, and really seeing the advantages if we integrate this kind of information. The idea is really for every specific combination of a product, make a clear footprint, make a clear decision, make the end user able or the consumer able to make a decision. What is the footprint of this product of my decision when I'm buying this? What is the footprint of this product? So giving these kind of information to producers enables them an advantage in cost selling or consumer decision-making processes in the future. So I think we have to visualize the impact of what we are doing a lot better, and we want to help giving this kind of information to the organization.